For the average person, your brain weighs about 1.5 kilograms. That's about the same weight of 3 sachets of pure water. Your brain is also about 4 times smaller than the brain of an elephant. But we all know who is smarter. When it comes to intelligence, the size of your brain does not matter so much. The advantage that we as humans have over everyone else is that we have more cells tightly packed together in our brain compared to other animals. Each of us has about 100 billion of these individual cells in our brain, all connected and talking to each other all the time. This is what allows you to make sense of the noise that comes out of another person's mouth and interpret it as language. Allows you to learn how to ride a bike and even make elaborate plans for the future. Maybe one day, if elephants evolve densely packed cells in their brain, they too will be able to tell their own stories.